I'm going to start drawing the how you can make your gate design. First of all, I'm going to input a picture I saw on Facebook. It was in a group, so I'm going to input it. This is the picture. So I'm going to draw this design of the gate. I'm going to draw this out. So I'm going to drag it into Archicad. So that's it. Then I'm going to measure. I'm going to go to Documents, click on Line Tool, and I'm going to select red so that I can see my drawing very well. I want to click from here. I'm trying to measure. I see that the measurement is too long, but I want my measurement to be 4,000, or let me say 3,700. I want my that's the length of my that's how I want my drawing to be. So I'm going to reduce this. I'll just click on the picture. I'm going to reduce this. So what's next now is I'm going to start drawing all of this. First of all, I'm just going to start picking all the edges out. I'm going to start picking all the edges out. And make sure your lines are straight. Now, when you've drawn all the lines and everything, just click on the picture, click it and just drag it away. Drag it. But before I do that, just in case I don't make any mistake, I'm going to add a line here so that I can know that that is the point where I'm going to fix that end. So I'm just going to drag the line away I'm going to drag the picture away from there, drag it out. Then as you can see, it's giving me this image. And now the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to start inputting. I'm going to use slab. I'm going to go to slab tool. I'm going to set it. I want to set it to be, I want the slab thickness to be 100. I'll click OK. And what I do next, I want to select this, and thus I click on spacebar and I click inside this rectangle shape. When I'm done, I click inside here too. I click inside here, I click inside here, and I click inside here. But mind you, I don't want everywhere to have the same slab thickness. I'm going to allow here this other one to be 50. Or let me say, let me make it to be 70. Let me make it to be 70. But before I do that, let me look at what I'm doing in 3D. Okay, that is it. This is it here. So this is what I'm drawing. This is what I'm drawing. Yes. So I'm going to go back now. I'm going to select on the slab tool again, and I want this side to be 70. I'm going to click on it. Remember not to make a mistake. Let me see it in 3D if I'm doing the right thing. Okay, that's it. Then the next thing, I want here to be 70. Here to be 70. Here to be 7. There's kind of a mistake here. I'm going to have to repair that. As you can see, the lines are not joined, so make sure your lines are very well joined so that it could form. So yeah. I want these other ones to be 50. I want this to be 50, here to be 50, and here to be 50. I also want here to be, when I'm saying 50, I mean the slab thickness. I want here to be 50, here to be 50, and also all these other ones to be 50. Please make sure you don't make, so let me, make sure you go out to 3D to see that you're not doing anything wrong. So you can see I made a mistake here. I'm going to have to delete, not down, delete the middle one. Yeah. As you can see, it's formed the shape, but it's not giving us what we want. So what I'm going to do next now is that I'm going to click on that center. I'm going to click in the center here. I'm going to reduce it. If I'm going down now, seeing this, I can see it's forming what I want, but I want it to form also for this outer side. That's where the problem is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag all this. Click on that. I'm going to reduce this. I'm going to reduce this. I'm going to reduce it by, let me say 25. Reduce that by 25. I want that to be reduced. And also the center of this one, I want it to be reduced by 23. Just so it can form the picture of what we want. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to reduce this by 25. Okay. I'm going to drag this. I'm going to drag this down. Then I'm going to reduce it by let me say 35. Let me say 30. Let me say 34. And this one by 32. Mind you, I'm trying to get how it looks like in the picture. That's what I'm trying to draw. So as you can see, it really formed what we want. It really formed what we want. I'm just going to reduce this, and this. So I want to reduce these bars so they can be in the middle. And I'm making sure that what is here is the same thing that is also here. No one is bigger than the other or smaller than the other. Everything, I'm making sure everything is accurate. So now I am done. If you go back to our floor plan, as you can see, this is what we're having here. The same thing we're having here. So what is next now is I'm going to start and giving it colors. That's what is next now. For the colors, I'm going to select on this bar. I want this bar and this bar. Just gonna go to materials. I want this color to be, I want it to be a black color, ivory black, all sides. Also, this color, I also want them to have a black color. And I want these bars here, I want them to have a white color. What is next now is I want this bar to also be black. I want the bars to be black. And I want inside here and inside this place to be, I want to give it a blue color. And I want inside, I'm decorating, but you can decorate it based on how you want yours to look like. How you want yours to look like. And I want to make sure this one have some kind of, has a unique color. Just the way I want it to look like, but you can change yours. It doesn't matter, I can change yours. So this is it. As you can see, if we go back to our floor plan and we look at this picture right here, and we look at this, as you can see, it's a replica of this. It's a replica of this. Though some things are actually, not curved like this. These sides are not curved like that, but it's still, it's still something. Still brought out this. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is we we want to bring our gates out now. This is the fence, and you want to place the door. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to door 2, and I'm just going to do that. Still select any door, then do that. Then what I'm going to do next now is go back. If I continue, I need to remove this line 2 that I used to decorate to. I'm just going to go to mark you, select on lines. I'm going to drag this out. So we have this, we have the drawing. Then I'm going to select all of this. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Libraries and Objects. Save selection as door leaf. Then I'm just going to name it Gate Design. I'm going to save it and click on OK. So I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to select on the door. I'm going to select on the door. Go to settings. I don't want exterior sliding door. I want hinge door, and I want it to be door 24. I'm going to click on OK. Then go back to the settings again. Click on door opening and settings, or click on this icon right here. Scroll down, click on custom door leaf and select this side. You see your what you did, and click on what the name you used to save your gate, which is Gate Design. Click on OK. Okay, then go back to 3D to see what you've done. As you can see, it has this like this, but we need to do some settings. So what we need to do next is click on the door, go to door settings, click on frame and leaf, untick uniform frame width, give this one 0, this other one 0, this other one 0. Then go back and go to seal, go to casing outside, and untick this, casing inside also, untick this, click on OK. So what you want to do next now is, initially the width of our drawing is 3547. So I'm going to select on the door. I'm going to change the width to be, let me say 36. Since it's 3547, change to be 36. Then what is next is, I want to reduce this, I want to remove this, what they call it, this line. Select on the door, go to door settings, and go to opening lines. Override model view options, click on opening line and click OK. So the line is gone. Let me reduce the fence. And let me do a little design. Oh, I want to add pillars. For the other door, that's the other little one, you can make a sketch by yourself, but make sure the make sure the um make sure the width is the width you want it to be. Mine is 900. I use 900 for mine. So I've already done that already, which is this 900 millimeter. So I'm going to click on OK. Go to change that. Go to 3D. So I should have this. I've already drawn mine already. So you just sketch your own out and just draw it. Follow my video process and you'll be able to draw your own type of gate design you want. Thank you for watching this video. If this video has been of any help to you, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting some other videos on how to, on some other, some other plans and some other things in Archicad.